discussions regarding the introduction of bioinformatics and application of bioinformatics. And within that discussion, there was some discussion of scientific writing also, which was we were discussing. Devani and I was discussing in the morning that how much it is important and what are the criteria. I had told these this thing in my discussion that our training is somewhat very scientific as per the CSIS standards. From the last 10 years, I have been teaching these standards with the students that in every research training or research project, research dissertation, as well as the short term trainings also for the 3 months also. There is a part of the documentation in which the report writing or the thesis writing is there. So, for the sake of scientific writing, uh, uh, okay. Uh, yeah. Screen is visible. Rupa, screen is visible. White screen.
No, it's not visible.
Please see the link. Shirisha has joined.
Are you sharing slides?
No, I am sharing another part of the
No,
screen.
no, everyone is visible, but other nothing else is visible.
Just
No
check
slides and
check
all.
your mail. I think because or the somewhere link in the meet.
Sir, it is in the message section.
Okay,
The
okay.
link.
Devani, check your message section.
Yeah, it's there. Okay. Only Shirisha, Rupa, Neha. Devani, you got the link? Yes, it's in the message section.
Yeah, yeah. But you are
Am I
not.
audible?
Yeah, you are audible, but I'm not able to find on that link where I'm presenting. Just check it out. Actually, I'm just explaining about the scientific writing theme, and when it comes to the scientific writing, the proportions and that manuscript is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one is I think everybody has read the research articles or the review articles on the various literature portals, or taken into account for their own work also in the experiments that are being conducted in the academic college labs or the college labs. And the first part of the scientific writing, that is the title, in which the title is sublimed into a compact meaning of the work. That is, when you are giving the title for that work that you are performing or want to publish, it is meant so that you will be writing a title in such a manner that it means for the work also what you want to highlight. And the words that indulge in the title will not be a lengthy one. That is the target for the title. You must make a point that you should have the capability of writing a title as much as a small, but it should include the meaning of the word throughout the title. Whether target point is there, whether methods what you are sorry results that you want to target, that thing will be included in the title. And it depend next after the title, there will be a line of authors. So authors, as per the journal pattern, every journal has its own pattern, and it will be described in the submission page or submission these in instructions, that how you will be writing for the author list, that first name will be there or the last name will be the first, and there will be a high these indents also will be there, which will be connecting to their working areas or the where they are having their designated jobs. So after the title there will be a line of authors, and then came the abstract. There is also a pattern for the abstract, that abstract number of words that includes in the abstract and how the abstract will write. There is a pattern of writing the abstract, that some introduction will be there. After that, the methodology will be there, that what kind of work you are doing, and after that work, that the outcome of that work will be there in the last phrases of the abstract. Say for example, many journals are in their instructions, they give that the abstract should not be more than 250 words or 300 words. That is it. If you, they will be clearly specify that in a journal you should be submitting the abstract not more than 250 words. If anyhow you are submitting the abstract more than 250 words or more than 300 words, then simply they will reject it, and they will not tell a word that why they are rejecting. That is the thing. And after that abstract, you should you when you will be reading the research articles, you what I'm telling you, you just configure that thing, that in the first three lines or four lines, there will be the introduction of the target in the area, that will be there. And after that, the introduction will be covered up. Then there will be in the middle of the paragraph, there will be the working lines on which the target has been experimented. And in the last 3 4 lines, the result will be highlighted. The result will not be told. That will be the thing. You will be getting the highlight of the results, that in the experiment what was the outcome, because the description will be given in the full length theory in the paper, but in the abstract only the highlight of the result will be there. So this is the pattern in which you have to write the abstract for a manuscript. Next part is keywords. Now the thing is that in this digital words, in this digital world, you are work since, see, you are sitting in different places of the country. One is from Chandigarh, one is from West Bengal, one is from Bangalore, and one is from Tamil Nadu, and one that Vaishak is also there, and Rahul is also there. They are from Kerala. So uh, with this digital thing we are communicating through online mode, so everything is connecting through a binary codes. And for the scientific writing, when we are talking about scientific writing, then the keywords play an important role. When you search on the Google, for example, then you are typing some text in the search box. Those are termed as the keywords for you to get into the search, and you will be getting the results in the bottom of the text box of the research. Those are called hits. So unless and until you want something and you want to figure it out that how should I get the result, you had to design the keywords. So those keywords in any of the research paper that you want to take the information, or you want to prepare for your presentation, you want to prepare for your research article, review article, then you have to frame those keywords in such a manner that you get the exact thing what you are willing to find. That is the thing. So in many of the research articles, you must you must find that there is a line in which the keywords are written. That is, if you write up the keywords in those points, then you will be finding that article very easily. But if those keywords are not matching with that criteria, then you will be getting something else that I will show you in the later on. Then comes the introduction part. For this only, uh, I just asked to these two students of masters and the bachelors that for the thesis work, in introduction part, I ask you the bifurcation of the study that you are doing and you will do, that 5 papers for introduction, and 5 for um, mechanism, 5 for mechanism, 5 for the target field, got my point, and 5 for the 5 for introduction, for such as biotech and bioinfo, bioinfo and microbiochem, like this way. And then you are choosing the, sorry, this thing will come first, that target, then for target mechanism, and 5 for uh, the domain that you are working, such as designing, drug designing, immunology, and immunological experiments. I must say that drug designing is there, vaccine designing is there, or something like this way. Introduction part will be involved in the searching of the paper and writing your introduction part out of those papers. And you will be first 5 papers will be included for introduction of biotechnology and bioinformatics, in which you will be taking the uh, definition, application, and future prospects. That is the thing. So, introduction will include, if any other topic you are taking for the introduction, that you are biotech or bioinformatics, microbiology or the biochem, then definition of those terms will be there, that what they define and what function they are defining, and application, that what are the various applications they and that domain is involved in, and the future prospects, that how the industry and how the academics and how the research is indulged, or they are just cooperative in those works. That future prospects you had to mention in that introduction. Then moving further within with that introduction, what you will be doing, that uh, then comes your target. That if you are taking the drug designing part, then there are you have to choose a target to work on with, whether it will be a disease. In disease you can find some pathological diseases, you can go for the metabolical diseases, you can go for the neurodegenerative diseases, uh, any type of disease you can target that. And you are, if you are working for this biochemistry or immuno part of that, then you will be targeting some immunological diseases, or some no, biochemical improportions or malfunctions you will be targeting. Then you have to get the information from for that target, that how much work had been done previously to get the things no cure, for the cure, or for the if malfunction is there, then how the function will be normal, and all those information you have to collect for the target study. If it is drug designing work is going on, then you will be after the target description, why you are choosing that target, give the importance of the target according to its malfunction, that it is causing a wide range of disease, and various demographical area, or the geographical area on the earth is being affected by that disease. What is the fatality rate, how many people are getting affected, and they are how much it is fatal for, like, and these points can be covered for making a target to be explained, that why you are choosing that target. Then comes the point of the mechanism. If pathogenic disease you are taking, then you will be explaining the life cycle of that pathogen, how it is causing a disease. If a metabolic disorder is there, then you will be explaining the mechanism, how that metabolic cycle is getting malfunction and causing a disease. Like these points can be covered for explaining the mechanism of that target. Then comes for the five papers for your research. If you are going for the drug designing, that till now what kind of work has been done in the this drug designing part, and or any immunology you are taking. So these points should be covered in your this introduction part. Then comes the methodology. In methodology, you will be writing the methods or the steps you are performing in the experiments and the work you are doing, whether you are doing drug designing. Then every step you will be including with images or without images, or the table form you will be including. And after that result methodology result part will be there. And that result part is somewhat if the journal is asking that you have to conclude your manuscript within the 4,000 words, or 5,000 words, or 6,000 words, then according to it you will be uh, diversifying your results column also, in which you will be if the word limit is relaxable, and you are able to conclude the results with images and tables, then that will be the best thing you will be giving in your manuscript. And tables and images, uh, this thing is very much required for the manuscript, because more images and tables are able to explain the experiment that you had conducted. And when and the chance of acceptance is very much high when the results and methodology part is greatly highlighted and written. That is the thing. And then comes the discussion part. See, whenever you had read this research article or the research publication, then in every research publication there is a point of discussion that in their experiment or their research has been defined and results have been discussed. Then there is a point of discussion that what are the points that is still left to get answered, and there's some points that it can be carried forward to another experiments or another research work. That point will be coming under the discussion, and conclusion will give the impact of the result that you had performed in the result section. That will be discussed in the conclusion section, that what results are the results are giving you the information and all those things. And the last and the least, these this title, that is references, unless and until you are not giving references in your ppts, in your assignments, in your uh, research articles, in your review articles, in your books, if you are writing some chapters of the books or you are writing a whole book by yourself only, then these references are the foremost thing, that you are proving your work with some references, and there will be a slight chance of objectioning on the work you are performing. For that only, the references are very much important in the scientific writing as well. There are various writings in the neighbor, you can say that designations in arts and science and in commerce, in any other field. References are still the foremost thing that you must learn to write, because every journal is pertaining their own style of writing of the references. Then references will be having some pattern, that how to write according to the pattern, and they will be mentioning in the instruction column, and all those things you will be getting that thing from the for your this report writing, thesis writing, research paper writing, review article writing, assignment writing, and for also the presentation that you will be working from here or any other place that you are giving the presentations. So references are the foremost thing that you will be you must learn how to write the references for your scientific writing. So these points are somewhat very much these included in the scientific writing. If any writing is not following this pattern of writing or the instructions of writing, then that will not be accepted as a paper, or the you can say that article is not very much acceptable.